Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome back to English learning video with me, Miss Via. How are you today? I hope you are all happy, healthy, and ready to learn English. So before we start, let's look at these sentences. Rina is tall. Rina is taller than Sinta. Rina is the tallest student in her class. Do you notice the difference? Yes, these sentences compare people. In English, we call this topic degree of comparison. In this lesson, we will learn how to compare people, animals, things, and place using positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. By the end of the video, you will able to make simple comparison sentences correctly. So, prepare your notebook, pay attention carefully, and let's start learning together. Okay, look at this PPT. Which one is better? Degree of comparison. Okay, next, this is a story. A man once asked the Prophet Muhammad SAW, who deserved my kindness the most? The Prophet answered, your mother. The man asked again and again. The Prophet said, your mother. A third time, the Prophet answered, your mother. Only on the fourth time did the Prophet say, your father. Hadis riwayat Bukhari and Muslim. From the hadith, who is more important, a mother or a father? Can we say a mother is more important than a father? Okay, and then look at this. We will play the game called Guess It. Look at the clues and guess the animal. It is bigger than a cat. It is faster than a dog. It lives in jungle. What animal is it? Is it elephant or a tiger? What do you think, guys? Okay, are you guys done? So let's see the answer. The answer is a tiger. So a tiger is stronger than a cat. Okay, next. Look at the clues and guess the object. It is bigger than a pencil case. It is heavier than a book. Students use it to carry books. What is this? What is it? Is it backpack or lunchbox? Can you guys guess it? Are you done? Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is backpack. A backpack is heavier than a pencil case. Okay, next. Guess it. Look at the clues and guess the food. It is more expensive than fried rice. It is bigger than a sandwich. It is a popular fast food. What food is it? Is it a macaroon or a burger? Can you guys guess it? Are you done? So, let's see the answer. The answer is burger. A burger is bigger than a macaroon. Okay, look at these sentences. A tiger is stronger than a cat. A backpack is bigger than a pencil case. A burger is bigger than a macaroon. Which word shows comparison in the sentences? And what happens to the adjective strong, big, and small? Why do we add "er" to some adjective? And what is the function of the word than? You guys can answer it on the comment below, okay? I will write it. Are you guys done? If you guys done, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, comparative degree. We use comparative adjective to compare two things. There is there are two patterns of a comparative degree. The first one is short adjective, and then the next one is long adjective. Pattern 1. Short adjective. Adjective plus er plus than. Examples: tall, taller than; fast, faster than; big, bigger than. Example sentence: a tiger is stronger than a cat. And then the other one is long adjective. More plus adjective plus than. Example: interesting, more interesting than; beautiful, more beautiful than; expensive, more expensive than. Example sentence: English is more interesting than math. Okay, so comparative degree, we use it to compare two things. There are two patterns: short pattern, adjective plus er plus than, and then long adjective, more plus adjective plus than. For example, a tiger is stronger than a cat. English is more interesting than math. Okay, do you guys already understand? Okay, if you guys already understand, let's play quiz with me. Okay, so this is the quiz. First question: a lion is blah 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 than a cat. What is the answer? Stronger, more strong, strongest, or strong? Yup, the answer is stronger. Next question: a car is blah 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 than a bicycle. Fastest, faster, fast, or more fast? What is the answer? Yup, the answer is faster. Next, choose the correct sentence. A tiger is strongest than a cat. A tiger is strong than a cat. A tiger is stronger than a cat. A tiger more strong than a cat. What is the answer? Yup, the answer is a tiger is stronger than a cat. Next, this book is blah 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 than that book. Thicker, thickest, more thick, or thick? Which one is the answer? Yup, the answer is thicker. Next, math is blah 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 than English. Difficult, more difficult, difficulter, or most difficult? Which one is the answer? Yup, the answer is more difficult. Next, a rabbit is blah 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 than a turtle. More faster, fast, fastest, or faster? Which one is the answer? Yup, the answer is faster. Next, choose the correct sentence. Pizza is most delicious than noodles. Pizza is more delicious than noodles. Pizza is delicious than noodles. Or pizza delicious than noodles? Which one is the answer? Yup, the answer is pizza is more delicious than noodles. Next, my bag is blah 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 than your bag. Heaviest, heavier, more heavy, or heavy? Which one is the answer? Yup, the answer is heavier. Next, a giraffe is blah 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 than a horse. More tall, tall, tallest, or taller? Which one is the answer? Yup, the answer is taller. And then next, the last question. Choose the correct sentence. English English is more interesting than math. English is interesting than math. English is interestinger than math. English most interesting than math. Which one the answer? Yep, the answer is English is more interesting than math. I bet you guys already understand about degree of comparison, right? Okay. Today we use comparative adjective just like in the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad SAW, where a mother's right is greater than a father's. This shows us that Islam teaches us to compare and prioritize with wisdom. So what you guys learned today? Can you write it in the comment section below? And then, can you make one sentence comparing two things you value in life? You can also write it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this lesson is useful and easy to understand. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.